Good morning, class. So we'll start with chapter number 6, linear inequalities today. Chapter number 6, linear inequalities. Clear? So what does it mean, linear inequalities? If you have seen linear equations, what are the linear equation in one variable? Suppose if you have an equation 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. This is what? This is a linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable. If you have an equation like this, 2x plus 3y is equal to 8. 2x plus 3y is equal to 8. That means what? This is a linear equation in two variables. These all things you have studied. This is an equation. Again and again I'm telling this thing is, this is what? An equation. Now here what we have to study in this chapter, inequations. Inequations means, the meaning of inequations is the expression in which we are having greater than, less than, greater than equal to, or less than equal to symbol is there. Then instead of an equation by the name itself, equation, it contains equal to symbol. Clear? But when you are talking about inequation, it will contain greater than, less than, greater than equal to, or less than equal to symbol. It will contain greater than, less than, greater than equal to, or less than equal to symbol instead of equal symbol. Instead of this equal symbol only you will have inequation symbol. Clear? So write down the definition. Two real numbers or two algebraic expressions two real numbers or two algebraic expressions two linear equations or two real numbers or two algebraic expressions related by the symbols. What are the symbols? Greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, forms an inequation. Clear? Two real numbers or two algebraic expressions related by the symbol this, or greater than equal to, less than equal to, forms an inequation. So inequation will have, instead of equal to symbol, it will have greater than, less than, greater than equal to, or less than equal to symbols. Clear? Now just see, if you have an equation 2x is greater than 3. So this is what? Instead of an equation, it is what? An inequation. It is what? An inequation. Now, this is only the meaning of inequation. Now you should know how to solve it. There are some rules to solve an inequation. Your rule number 1 is, write down. Rule number 1 is, equal numbers can be added. Equal numbers can be added or subtracted on both sides of the equation. Equal numbers can be added or subtracted on both sides of the equation. So we can add 2 here and 2 here, or we can subtract 2 here and subtract 2 here from here. Anything you can do. You can subtract, means you can write minus 2 here. Here also you can write minus 2. So it's all up to you. You can subtract any number. Sorry, not minus 2 here. Like 2x is there. 2x is there, minus 2 here, or minus 2 here. Clear? So you can subtract both the sides by 2, or you can add it by 2, or any other number. I have taken an example, just an example. Clear? So you can add or subtract any number on both the sides of the inequation. Next is what? You can multiply or divide. Write down. Rule number 2 is what? Rule number 2 is, you can multiply or divide by some non-zero number. You can multiply or divide by some non-zero number on both sides of the inequation. You can multiply or divide by any non-zero number on both sides of the inequation. Clear? Clear it is? Then third rule I will explain you. What is it? You can multiply, same rule it is, but you have to keep in mind when you are multiplying by, actually it came in non-zero only, but you have to then also keep in mind 2 is greater than 1, isn't it? 2 1 से बड़ा है या नहीं? Yes or no? Is 2 greater than 1? 2 is greater than 1 or not?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now if I multiply by minus 1 on both the sides, then will it be correct? Minus 2 is greater than minus 1. Will it be correct? Minus 2 is greater than minus 1. Is it correct or not?
No.
No. Why it is not correct? If you see the number line minus 2, minus 1, minus 3. So as we go to the right side, the number increases. This you have studied in your lower classes already. Clear? So when we multiply by a negative number, on both the sides, the sign of inequality changes. The sign of inequality changes from greater than to less than to greater than. Means whatever the sign of inequality is there, it will change. Now just see, minus 2, we have multiplied by minus 1 on both the sides. So minus 2 is what? Less than minus 1. Minus 2 is what? Less than minus 1. So if you are multiplying by a negative number on both the sides, then the sign of inequality changes. Just see here it was greater than, here it is less than. Clear? This you have to, this is third rule, that when sign of, when we multiply by a negative number on both sides of the inequality, then the sign of inequality changes. Sign of inequality changes. Clear? Now come to some examples. Example 1. So your example 1 is what? 30x is less than 200. 30x is less than 200. You have to solve it. Find x, find values of x when x, first part is what? When x belongs to n. Second part is what? X belongs to z. Agar x n ko belong karta means x belongs to natural numbers. X belongs to z means what? X belongs to integers. Clear? So what I told you is, we can divide or multiply by any number, we can add or subtract by any number. Now what we should do, so that we should get x here? If I divide on both the sides by 30, so what I will get? 30x upon 30 less than 200 by 30. So what I will get? X is less than 220 by 3. This implies x is less than 6.666 dot dot dot. Clear? Clear? So what you have got, the value of x is what? Less than 6.66. Now, if x belongs to n, first part, when x belongs to what? Natural numbers. When x belongs to what? Natural numbers, then what you can say? When x belongs to n, we can say that x is belonging to the numbers 1, natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. X can take all these values. X can take any of these values. Then second part is x belongs to z. If x is belonging to z, then x can take the values. X कौन सी values ले सकता है? Integers में कौन सी value ले सकता है? Minus. You can take any value. Less than 6 can minus infinity. So you can put dot 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 minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So from minus infinity to means negative, all the negative integers, 0 and positive integers till 6. Clear? So these all values will be there for x. Is that clear, everyone? Is that clear? Yes or no? Yes or no? what we have to do whenever we have such type of inequation, we have to bring on one side x only. So how you will bring x on the first side, this side LHS divided by 30 on both the sides. Clear? Then next is question number 1 of exercise 6.1. We'll start with the exercise now. Now your exercise 1, 6 point. Question is, sorry, we can write it here only. Exercise 6.1. Now your question number 1 is 24x is less than 100. 24x is less than 100. So what we can say? Divide the whole equation by 24. So you will get 24x upon 24 is less than 100 upon 24. So you will get x is less than, now divided by 4. So 4 6 are 24. 4 2s are 8. 4 5s are 20. So x is less than 6 4s are 24. 6, wait a minute, we have divided it by 4. 4 6 are 24. And 25 by 6 we have got. 25 by 6 means 6. It is equal to 4 point. Just see, 6 4s are 24. 25 10. 6 1s are 6. 6 7 8 9 10 40. 6 8s are 4.18. We'll get what? X is less than 4.18. X is less than what? 4.18. Is that clear or not? Now, first part is what? Again, first part is x belongs to n. So, what all values it can take? X will be belonging to the natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. X किससे छोटा है? 4.18 से छोटा है, तो 4 तो आ ही सकता है. Clear? तो ना 5 नहीं आएगा because
4.16.
Yeah.
4.16.
Wait a minute. 6 4s are 24. 25. 6 1s are 6. 6 1s are 6 40. 6 8. 6 6 are 36. Okay, sorry. 6 6 are 36. 36 and then 40. Then again 6. 4.1666 dot dot dot. Is that clear? Yes, I have done it wrong. 4.1666. Clear? And dot 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 will come. Clear? So x belongs to what? 1 2 3 4. Second is x belongs to z. When x is belonging to z, then what we can say? X is an integer. X is what? An integer. So what all values? 4 से छोटी सारी values. So 4 से छोटी सारी integral values. कौन-कौन सी आ जाएंगी? X belongs to again minus infinity to minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These all values will come. Clear? Is that clear or not? Then come to question number 2. Wherever you find any problem, please ask. Now question number 2 is?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can we write just infinity to the positive integral values? Infinity, comma, integral values.
That I will explain you. Wait a minute. I will give you an example of it. Wait, we will come to that also. Clear? Tanesh? So your question number 2 is minus 12x is greater than 30. I will tell you why I have not written that. I will explain you that also. Why I have not written that, I will explain you that. Clear? Minus 12x is greater than 30. Now just see a negative number is there. So what we can write? Divide the whole equation by 12 because we have to bring x on this side. So divide the whole equation by 12. Minus 12 upon 12 is greater than 30 upon 12. So this x will be remaining here only. So minus x will remain here is greater than 30 by 12. Now divide this by 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 5 6 are 30. So you will get what? 5 by 2. So you will get minus x is greater than 2.5. Can we write this way? Minus x is greater than 2.5. Now again what I told you, the third rule. If I multiply both the sides by a negative number. Suppose I multiply it by -1 on both the sides. So just see -1 into -x and 2.5 into -1. If I am multiplying it by minus number, negative number on both the sides, then the sign of inequality changes. Greater than से क्या हो जाएगा? Less than. -1 into -x will be what? X is less than -2.5. तो x की वैल्यू -2.5 से क्या है? छोटी है. तो कौन बताएगा what will be the first value, least value of x? What will be the least value of x?
-2.
-2. No, this is the mistake which you do. ये आपका -2 है, -3 है. 2.5 कहाँ लाया करेगा? -2.5 यहाँ लाया करेगा. तो 2.5 से छोटी x क्या है? 2.5 से छोटा. 2.5 से छोटा कहाँ आएगा? उस तरफ जाएगा क्या? -2 तो बड़ा हो गया ना 2.5 से. Clear? This mistake only normally the students do. So हमें लेस देन चाहिए, तो पहला इंटीग्रल वैल्यू क्या होगी? -3. क्लियर? अब अगर हमारा सेम क्वेश्चन है फर्स्ट पार्ट x बिलोंग्स टू n, तो अगर हम बोले फर्स्ट पार्ट व्हेन x बिलोंग्स टू n, व्हाट इज द सॉल्यूशन? x क्या वैल्यूज ले सकता है? नेचुरल नंबर स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 1 but the value of x is less than -2.5, so directly no solution. We will have no solution because कोई वैल्यू आएगी नहीं x की, क्योंकि x की वैल्यू तो स्टार्ट हो रही है नेचुरल नंबर में 1 से, और यहाँ x की वैल्यू क्या है? -2.5. नथिंग इज कॉमन. क्लियर? सो नथिंग विल कम. सेकंड इज x बिलोंग्स टू z, दैट मींस इंटीजर्स. नाउ इंटीजर्स में जो आप कह रहे थे x बिलोंग्स टू, व्हाट विल कम? -2 will not come. From where it will start? -3. So dot 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 from x is less than -3. -3 से कम है. -3 से कम है मतलब -3 तो आ सकता है. ठीक है, -2.5 से कम है तो -3 तो आ सकता है. तो डॉट 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 -2 माइनस आप क्या ले सकते हो? -4 -3. सो -3 इज द लास्ट वैल्यू. -3 इज द लास्ट वैल्यू, और यहाँ डॉट 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 चलेगा. आप चाहे तो लिख दें 2-3 वैल्यूज और डॉट 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 -4 -3. क्लियर? इज दैट क्लियर? यहाँ लिख दो -∞ to -3. क्लियर? बट इंटीजर्स है इसलिए हम पूरा नहीं लिखते. अब अगर हम जो क्वेश्चन वो पूछ रहा था, अगर इसका थर्ड पार्ट होता x बिलोंग्स टू रियल नंबर्स, then we should have written when x belongs to real numbers, we can write this implies x belongs to, now you can write -∞ to -2 you can write. -2.5. अब हम क्या लिख देते हैं यहाँ पे? -∞ to -2.5 लिख देते, क्योंकि why we have not written in integers? Because integers में अगर हम -∞ to -3 लिख देंगे तो कौन सी वैल्यूज आ जाएंगी? -3.9 भी आ जाएगा, -4.9 भी आएगा, बट इंटीग्रल वैल्यू नहीं है वो, इसीलिए हम इस फॉर्म में नहीं लिखते. So whenever it is being asked x belongs to what? Real numbers, that time you can write this way, that x belongs to what? Open bracket -∞ to open bracket -2.5. Why open bracket? Because equal to symbol is not here. So 2.5 -2.5 will be not included, but the values less than -2.5 will be included, means -2.4 भी आएगी, -2.4999 भी आएगी, सारी वैल्यूज आ जाएंगी. क्लियर? सो जब हम रियल नंबर्स की बात करेंगे तनिष्क मलिक, इज इट क्लियर नाउ? That time you can write this way, otherwise not. Clear? Then come to question number. Is that clear, Tanish?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then come to question number 3. Question number 3 is here. Question number 3 is solve 5x minus 3 is 5x minus 3 is less than 7. First, when x belongs to integers, and second is second part is x belongs to real numbers. X belongs to integers and x belongs to real numbers. So what I told you, on the LHS you have to bring x only. तो हम क्या करेंगे, पहले यहाँ पे -3 है, अगर मैं +3 ऐड कर दूं दोनों तरफ तो -3 चला जाएगा. 5x - 3 + 3. आई एम एडिंग 3 ऑन बोथ द साइड्स. फर्स्ट रूल बोला था कोई भी नंबर को ऐड और सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं, तो हमने 3 को ऐड कर दिया. तो यहाँ क्या हो गया, दिस -3 +3 कैंसिल, लेस देन 10 हो गया. अब हम डिवाइड द होल इक्वेशन बाय 5. तो x 5x डिवाइडेड बाय 5 इज लेस देन 10/5. This implies x is less than 2. This 5 cancel, 5 2s are 10, so x is less than 2. So come to the first part. X belongs to z. When x is belonging to z, that means x की वैल्यू क्या है, 2 से छोटी. x की वैल्यू क्या है, 2 से छोटी. So x belongs to what? The numbers again dot 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 -2 -1 0 1. 2 will also not come. Why 2 will not come? अब integers है तो 1.1 1.2 भी नहीं आएगा. So till 1 it will come. 2 will not come because equal to symbol is not there. अगर equal to symbol होता तो 2 भी आता. Clear? Then second part is what? X belongs to R. Real numbers. Now real numbers, what Tanish said earlier, we can write it directly from -infinity to, now what it is, infinity to less than 2. ओपन ब्रैकेट. अब जब हम याद हो आपको ये ओपन ब्रैकेट लगाते हैं तो दिस 2 वैल्यू इज नॉट इंक्लूडेड. दिस वैल्यू 2 इज नॉट इंक्लूडेड. क्लियर? व्हेनेवर वी यूज ओपन ब्रैकेट. अगर मैं ये यहाँ पे क्लोज ब्रैकेट लगाती तो 2 इंक्लूड हो जाता, बट हमें 2 इंक्लूड नहीं करना. अगर इक्वल टू सिंबल होता तो हम 2 इंक्लूड करते. अभी हम 2 इंक्लूड नहीं करेंगे. क्लियर? तो 2 से छोटी कोई भी वैल्यू आएगी, -infinity to 2 will be the answer. Clear? Then come to question number 4. So your question number 4 is 3x plus 8 is greater than 2. Now again first is x belongs to z and second part is x belongs to real numbers. Now again what we will do, +8, so -8 we will do. 3x plus 8 will subtract 8 on both the sides. So what we will get, this 8 cancel, 3x is greater than -6. So x is, divide the whole equation by 3, 3x upon 3 is greater than -6 upon 3. So you will get what, x is greater than -2. 3 2s are 6. Clear? X is greater than -2. -2 से ज्यादा. अब -2 से ज्यादा means -2 -1. तो 2 से ज्यादा, -2 से ज्यादा यहाँ जाएगा. सो अगर हम x belongs to z, इंटीजर्स होगा, हम फर्स्ट पार्ट पे आ जाते हैं. x belongs to z, तो क्या लिख सकते हैं हम, x is belonging to -2 से ज्यादा. -2 से ज्यादा क्या होगा, -1 0 1 एंड -2 से ज्यादा 1 2 डॉट 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 डॉट, क्योंकि -2 से ज्यादा कितनी भी वैल्यू हो सकती है वो. अब अगर हम सेकेंड पार्ट बोलते हैं x belongs to r, तो हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, x belongs to क्या होगा. अब अपन को ये लिखने की जरूरत नहीं, हम सीधे ओपन ब्रैकेट ला सकते हैं. -2 से इंफिनिटी, -2 से इंफिनिटी कोई भी नंबर आ सकता है. -2 पे मैंने ओपन ब्रैकेट लगाया है, दैट मीन्स -2 will not be included. This -2 will not be included. Clear? Rest all values -2 मतलब -1.9 भी इंक्लूड होगा. Every value will be included. Yeah. Then come to question number 5. So your question number 5 is 4x plus 3. 4x plus 3 is less than 5x plus 7. Now again the same thing you can do. Clear? Again the same thing. हमें यहाँ से क्या हटाना है, हमें 5x इधर लाना है या वहां ले जाना है. आप ले जा सकते हो साइन चेंज करके, जैसे अपन इक्वल टू सिंबल में करते थे वैसे ही करना है. या फिर आप डायरेक्टली आप क्या करो, +4x -4x दोनों तरफ कर दो. मैं यहाँ कर सकती हूँ 4x plus 3 plus 4x -4x -3 कर सकती हूँ यहाँ पे. या -4x कर दो आपसे पूरी, इज लेस देन 5x -4x प्लस 7। मैंने दोनों तरफ क्या कर दिया, -4x, वी कैन एड एनी नंबर, वी कैन सबट्रैक्ट एनी नंबर, तो मैंने -4x से दोनों तरफ कर दिया, तो ये कैंसिल हो गया। 3 इज लेस देन 5x -4x इज x प्लस 7। आ गई आपकी सिंपल इक्वेशन। अब हमें 7 यहाँ से हटाना है, तो मैं यहाँ क्या कर दूंगी, 3 - 7 x प्लस 7 - 7। Yeah, same thing we have to do. So 3 - 7 is -4. X is less than x is greater than -4. इसको हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं, x is greater than -4. x की वैल्यू क्या है, -4 से ज्यादा। क्लियर? इसको आप डायरेक्ट भी कर सकते हो। When you will be in practice, सीधे हो रहा है, 4x को उधर ले गए, 5x - 4x is x, 7 को इधर लाया, 3 - 7 is -4, so डायरेक्ट आ गया आपको, but still you are practicing, so do it step by step. So x is greater than -4. तो अब हमें क्या बोला हुआ है, where x belongs to R, हमें बोला गया है find the real values of x। इस क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया है find the real values of x। तो x की रियल वैल्यूज क्या होंगी, -4 से सारी ज्यादा वैल्यूज, तो x की वैल्यू x will belong to -4 to infinity। x की वैल्यूज क्या होंगी, -4 to infinity। Is that clear? Is that clear everyone? Is that clear? Yes please. Any problem, Mayur, Piyush, Krish?
No, ma'am.
Okay then. Thank you class. So we'll do some more questions tomorrow. Okay, thank you Mayur.